When you get stitches, a doctor threads a needle through your wound and pulls it tight to close the skin. As the stitches hold the edges together, the wound becomes inflamed as new cells begin to repair the tissue. Afterwards, connective tissues and collagens start to create skin. Then, blood vessels form to nourish these developing tissues, filling in the area. And over a few weeks, the wound will have healed together and the stitches are removed. A hair transplant starts with a doctor extracting hair follicles from the back of your head. These are carefully removed one by one, and they each contain a few hairs. Then they are meticulously implanted in the balding areas. Each follicle is placed in a way that matches the natural growth direction of your hair. And once they've adapted to their new location, they'll begin to grow and fill in. This is velcro, and if you zoomed in really close, you'd see that it's made up of two parts, one with tiny hooks and the other with tiny loops. When the velcro is pressed together, these tiny hooks actually catch onto the loops, which forms a tight bond. When the velcro is pulled apart, it causes each tiny hook to snap out of its loop, which causes this familiar sound.